Hari Om students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by our government for our safety. You maintain 2 meter distance away in public place. Always you remember it. What is the meaning of today's psalm is saying? Do the best and leave the rest. Do the best and leave the rest. ഏതൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ അത് നമ്മളുടെ കഴിവിൻ്റെ പരമാവധി അത് നന്നാക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. കഴിവിൻ്റെ മാക്സിമം അത് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ ശ്രമിക്കുക. അതിൻ്റെ ഫലത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. അത് തനിയെ നമുക്ക് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വന്നുകൊള്ളും. നമ്മളുടെ കഴിവിൻ്റെ പരമാവധി ഏത് പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും അത് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. Yesterday we studied how to find the nth term of an AP. What is the formula to find the nth term of an AP? RNCB. Nth term of an AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Today we can study how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. If an arithmetic progression is given and how to find the sum of that numbers. Today we can study the formula to find the sum of nth term of an AP. Here sum of nth term of an AP, sum of nth term of an AP and AP, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of nth term of an AP Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Where Sn means sum of nth term. Where n is the number of terms. Where n is the number of terms. N is the number of terms of the AP. N is the number of terms of the AP. And A is the first term. A is the first term. A is the first term and D is the common difference. D is the common difference. D is the common difference. So, if the AP is given, you are asked to find the sum of nth term of an AP. We can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Where n is the number of terms of the AP, a is the first term and d is the common difference. Then one more formula to find the nth term of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. You can use another formula also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or Sn is, here a is the first term and an is the last term. So we can write it as Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term. Therefore, what is the formula to find sum of the first n terms of an AP? Sum of the nth term of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Where n is the number of terms of the AP, a is the first term and d is the common difference. Or if the first and last term of the AP are given, we can find the sum of n terms of the AP using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Or we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So you remember the two formulae. First one is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms of the AP, a is the first term and d is the common difference. Then if the first and last term are given, we are asked to find the sum of the n terms of the AP. We use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Next question. Find the sum of first 18 terms of the AP 9, 7, 5, 3, etc. Here the AP is 9, 7, 5, 3, etc. Then what is first term of the AP? A is equal to 9. Then what is the common difference? The Sudarshan, common difference D is equal to 7 minus 9, that is minus 2. Then how many terms are here? We are asked to find the sum of first 18 terms of the AP. Then Bharati, what is n here? Therefore n is equal to 18. Then we can use the formula to find the sum of n terms of the AP is equal to Ashwin B. Ajit, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then Sn is equal to, Ashwin Elias, you substitute the values here. Instead of n, what we put? 18. So 18 by 2 into 2a. What is a here? 9. So 2a is 2 into 9 plus n minus 1. N is 18. 18 minus 1 into d is minus 2. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here 18 by 2 into 2 into 19 plus 18 minus 1 into minus 2. That is equal to 9 into 2 into 9 is 18. 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into minus 2 is 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into minus 2. That is minus 34. So 9 into 18 plus minus 34. That is equal to 9 to 18 plus minus 34. Then Aditya Krishnan, what is 18 plus minus 34? It is equal to, that is equal to 9 into 18 plus minus 34 is equal to minus 16. That is equal to 9 into minus 16. That is equal to minus 144. Minus 144. Therefore, the sum of first 18 terms of the AP 9, 7, 5, 3, etc. is equal to, here A is equal to 9, D is equal to minus 2 and N is equal to 18. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 9 into 18 plus minus 34. That is equal to 9 into minus 16. That is minus 144. So what is the sum of the first 18 terms of the AP? 9, 7, 5, 3, etc. It is equal to minus 144. Next question. Find the sum of first 11 terms of the AP 9, 7, 5, 3, etc. Here A is equal to 9. D is equal to 7 minus 9. That is minus 2. Then N is equal to 11. So what is the formula to find the nth term, sum of n terms of the AP? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Abhishek, you substitute the values here. Here what is n? N is equal to 11. So 11 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 9 plus 11 minus 1 into minus 2. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 18. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into minus 2 is minus 20. 11 by 2 into 18. 2 into 9 is 18. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into minus 2 is minus 20. Then it is equal to 11 by 2 into minus 2. 11 by 2 into minus 2. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is equal to 7 minus 10. That is minus 2. N is equal to 11. So Sn is equal to 11 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 9 plus 11 minus 1 into minus 2. So 11 by 2 into 18 minus 20. That is 11 by 2 into 18 minus 20 is minus 2. So it is equal to 2 and 2 cancel. So it is equal to, or it is equal to minus 22 by 2 or minus 11. So the sum of first 11 times of the AP 7, 5, 13, etc. is equal to minus 11. Is equal to minus 11. Next question. Find the sum of 5 plus 11 plus 21 plus etc. up to 181. So 5, 13, 21 etc. up to 181. Here this is an AP. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 8, 21 etc. Therefore it is an AP. So what is the first term? A is equal to 5. D is equal to 8. Then N is not given here. So you are asked to find the sum of 5 plus 13 plus etc. up to 181. So, here N is not given. First we can find the value of N. Then you use which formula? Here N is not given. Then there we can use which formula? An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here An is equal to 181. So, An is equal to 181 is equal to A plus 5 plus N minus 1 into 8. So 181 is equal to 5 plus 8n minus 8. Or minus 8n is equal to 5 plus minus 8 is minus 3. Then minus 181 minus 3. That is equal to minus 184. Then what is N? N is equal to minus 184 by minus 8. What is minus 184 by minus 8? Adilashmi. Here A 2's are, answer is positive. 2's are 16. Then 2, 8 3's are 24. So N is equal to 24. Then we can find the sum of 5 plus 13 plus 21 plus up to 8. Here the first and last term are given. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. The first and last term of the AP and n are given. We can find the sum of n terms of the AP using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. That is what is equal to n is 23. 23 by 2 into A is 5. 5 plus 181. So it is equal to 23 by 2 into 184. 22 by 3 into, can cancel this. That is equal to 92. Then 92 into 23 is equal to 2116. So here Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. N is equal to 23. So 23 by 2 into 5 plus 181. That is 5 plus 181. Sorry, 5 plus 181 is not 184. It is 186. So it is equal to here 5 plus 181 is 186. Sorry, 186. So we can cancel this. It is equal to 93. Then what is 93 into 23? That is equal to 2000. That is equal to 2139. So the Sn is equal to 2139. So here the sum of 5 plus 13 plus 21 plus etc. 181. Here first we find the n. N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then 181 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 8. Substituting the values, what we get? Minus 8n is equal to minus 184. Then n is equal to minus 184 by minus 8. That is 23. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. That n is 23. 23 by 2 into 5 plus 181. That is 23 by 2 into 186. It is equal to 23 into 93. That is equal to 2130. So the sum of n terms of the sum here, the sum of 23 terms of the AP is equal to 2139. Next question. if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Here S14, sum of 14 terms is equal to 1050 and first term A is equal to 10. Then N is equal to 14. Here D is not given. So first we can find D. Then we use which formula to find D? Here S14 is equal to 1050, A is equal to 10 and N is equal to 14. Then Chaitanya, here Sn is equal to n by 2 into, we use the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then here S14, n is equal to 14. Therefore, S14, 1050 is equal to 14 by 2 into 2a. That is 2 into 10 plus n is 14. 14 minus 1 into d. We can simplify. That is equal to 1050 is equal to 7 into 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus 13d. Or we can write 1050 is equal to 720 is 140 plus 91d. It is equal to 91d. Then we can transpose this 91d to the LHS. Minus 91d is equal to 140 minus 1050. Or minus 91d is equal to minus 910. Then what is D? Therefore, D is equal to minus 910 by minus 91. That is equal to 10. Here the D is equal to 10. The common difference is 10. Then we can find the 20th term. To find the 20th term, we use which formula? To find the Uttara, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then Niveda substitute the values here. Here, what is a here? A is equal to 10. So 10 plus n is equal to, find the 20th term, that is a 20. Then n is equal to 20. 20 minus 1 into 10. Or it is equal to 10 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 10. That is equal to 10 plus 190. That is equal to 200. Therefore, what is the 20th term of the AP is 200. So, here sum of n terms of the AP S14 is equal to, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting the values, we get the value of d. Here, minus 91d is equal to minus 910. Then d is equal to minus 910 by minus 91. That is equal to 10. After finding the value of d, what we do? We find the 20th term of the AP. The nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, what is the 20th term of the AP? A20 is equal to, instead of a we put 10. 10 plus n is 20. 20 minus 1 into 10. So, 10 plus 19 into 10. That is equal to 10 plus 190. That is equal to 200. So, to find the sum of nth term of an AP, we use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then, if the first and last term of the AP are given, how will you find the sum of n terms of the AP? Sum of n terms of the AP is equal to, then it is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or n by 2 into first term plus last term. You remember the formula, okay? You study well. These two formulas. First formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and second is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or n by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay? We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.